Hello everybody, this is Shubhrata Nandi from Kolkata, India for Bombay Talkies. I'm just outside the Annex Theatres at the South City Mall, Kolkata, after watching the Hindi movie Houseful 5. This movie's duration is 2 hours 45 minutes and the movie is directed by Tarun Mansukani and the movie is produced by Sajid Nadiadwala. The movie stars Akshay Kumar, Abhishek Bachchan, Ritesh Deshmukh, Jacqueline Fernandez, Sonam Bajwa, Nargis Fakhri, Ranjit, Nana Patekar, Jackie Shroff, Sanjay Dutt, Fardeen Khan and others. This movie is a comedy kind of a game plan basically with a murder mystery involved in it and attached to a slapstick kind of a comedy which goes on. A cruiser which belongs to a very rich person who is celebrating his 100 years of birthday. On the same day he gets a heart attack and discloses that his son from the first wife will get out whatever he wants, whatever he has in his wealth will inherit it. And the second wife's son will also get a part of it basically on the run. But the main responsibility of the board of directors becomes that if the son does not arrive, then it will be parted among the board of directors. But then after the death starts the mystery of what happens, how it happens, and then how many sons come basically into it. The movie's beginning is very good. It starts off well. Then in between, you see, it becomes very cumbersome. A khichdi kind of a thing basically. And too much of slapstick going on here and there. And then goes on. See, what you have to understand is that in this kind of movie, which includes the murder and the comedy, parallel to comedy, the murder has to be focused on a little bit serious type with the comedy in parallel to it basically. So that people are very excited about the comedy and also think that the murder, what's happening? What's happening, the oppositions, suppressions, oppressions, all these things have to be there. And then the movie would have been very, very nice. A very, very good effort by director Tarun Mansukani onto the game plan basically. And the movie is very colorful, no doubt about it. But you see what happens is after a certain time the movie goes on and on the same, and you feel that you are desperately laughing at it, forcing yourself to laugh at it. This movie would have been much, much better if it was planned very well, focused on the murder and the mystery and the suspense and the parallel comedy to it, going step by step, cut to cut each other. Then it would have been a fantastic movie. And you say, have you seen a movie with two different endings, last 20 minutes different? That makes it more cumbersome onto the game plan. A very good effort by the team, a very good effort by the director Tarun Mansukani, but yet it's become a very khichdi kind of a slapstick. If I were to rate this movie, I would rate this movie 5 out of 10. According to me, the movie is average. All of you take care. Bye-bye.